Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video.
Check this.
Hi friends, I am Mayuresh. So today's topic is Miui 10 8.6.19 Alpha on Redmi Note 4 review. This ROM is the China leak of Miui 10 for Redmi Note 4. The ROM is in alpha stage, so the ROM may be buggy. So let's see the features of Miui 10 for Redmi Note 4. All specs. Android version is Android 7.0 Nougat. The security patch of 1 May 2018. Next is it has the new limitless theme, which the icon looks really good. Just look at the setting icons. After closing it, see, the ROM looks really good. Next is new status bar, which seriously looks very good. Next is new recent panel, and long pressing it you get 3 options, that is lock, multi-window and setting, and the blur background looks really good. And new clear all animation. Next is new brightness slider. See, brightness slider. Next is new volume panels. See, which looks really good. Next is now in notes, you can add voice notes. As you can see, you can add voice notes over here, and the note delete animation. See, you get a different delete. You get an animation for deleting the notes. Next is new app wallet. See, the MIAI works super fine, but in Chinese language. Next is design of camera. See, design of camera is similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro's camera. In camera, you don't get a portrait mode. You may get it in next update. See, in video now you can record settings. Now you can record full HD at 60 frames per second, but you don't get option of 4K recording. Next is in camera, you don't get a detail manual mode. See. Next is new sound for screenshot. See, new sound for screenshot. Next is you get some extra apps such as MI Video, MI Home, Games, MI Home, MI Wallet, MI Store, MI Live, etc., but in Chinese language. Next is now you get a new calculator design. See, calculator, converter, mortgage. You also get a MIAI in calculator, but in Chinese language. Next is you don't get any full screen gestures in this ROM. Just like Miui Pro, you don't get any full screen gestures. Next is in settings and in display settings, you get a new option of ambient display. Next is new screen lock and unlock sound. See. Next is you get a MI Lab option in settings, and see MIUI Lab, which you can get picture-in-picture mode and car mode. Yes, you also get a car mode which you can navigate through MIAI in Chinese language. Next is in settings and in additional settings, you get a new option of Tap Plus, which is in Chinese. Next is now you can set a video for wallpaper. See, in themes you get a video option for wallpapers. I have downloaded one. See, I'll show you. And apply. See. Now it will move. So you can set a video for live wallpapers. Next is in settings and permissions. Now you can allow root access. See, and root access. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.